Hello students, today we are going to start with our next topic, pinwheel. So for making pinwheel, we need a material, craft paper. We can use only one bindi, pen or pencil, glue. So let's start our first step of the pinwheel. Take the craft paper, turn it. Now we have to fold the page in a half. Match the paper properly corner to corner and press it properly. First step after folding, open. We got here one guideline. Okay, done up till here. Now second step, up till this center line, our guideline, we have to fold both the side up till the middle guideline and press it well. After every fold you have to press it properly. Now another side we have to fold, not to overlap the paper. After, see here we completed our second step. Yes. Now for the third step, we have to fold this paper in a half. So again we have to fold this paper in a half. After again we have to fold it properly, press it properly, match corner to corner. After third step, folding, we have to open again. So again we need a guideline. Up till this guideline we have to fold again the down portion and press it well. Again upper one up till the middle guideline. Again you have to take care not to overlap the paper. Okay. Now open this again. See here we got another guideline. See here 1, 2, 3. Okay. After folding this, we have to be, see again here our fourth one step. You have to complete this one. Done up till this. Now we have to go further for the fifth one. Now take care. See, this is the opening portion, center one. Yes. Now we have to fold in a cross. Okay. So first of all we have to fold this page point to point opposite corner in a triangle form. Okay. So up till this we have to fold it. Same sixth one. See, we got here guideline. Now we need here. So we have to fold in another side in a triangle. See here again we have to check our guideline properly. You have to fold it and press it properly, then only you got the guideline. Okay. Now the seventh, you have to open this all. See how many guidelines you got here. Now check our the main first one guideline, the center one. This is our now main guideline. Up till the center guideline, you got here see cross line also. So this cross line and this the main slipping line. You have to be fold like this way. Open the page properly up till the guideline and press here up till here inside the white page. See here. Same another side up till the middle guideline. Press it well from inside and fold it down. See here like a house you can see. Yes. Same way we have to fold on another side. Again up till the center guideline. Press it well up till the ends. Your guideline is given already. Again we have to fold it down. So it's look like a double boat. Yes. But now we are making the pinwheel. We complete up till this step. Now we have to very easy step to do. Just right side upper flap we have to turn up. Right side upper one flap we have to fold up, and opposite left side corner we have to fold down. Yes, here we complete this one format of our pinwheel. Now we need here one bindi. Choose any color of your bindi, and in a center you have to be stick it. Yes, now for the pinwheel we need another paper for a handle. So we can use another page. Here from the another page we can use pen or pencil, or without pen or pencil you can just roll the page. Take the another page like this way. You have to fold with the pen or pencil and start to roll. And remove the pen or pencil. Now we have to apply the glue here. While applying the glue, take the precaution you have to not to spoil the page. If you are not using the pen or pencil, then also you have to do directly. You have to just make the roll it small fold like this way. If you are not using pen pencil, then directly have to roll. Understood? At the end of this here you have to apply the glue. Okay, now we are applying the glue. While applying the glue, take care. We have to not to spoil our page. Now while making the handle, you can do another style also. I will show you just once. This is the straight way. I will show you another one. If you are start to make the roll from the corner. Yes, if you start with the corner to make the roll. If you use like this way, then also it is right. Your choice. If you want straight handle or if you want this one. Like this way. Now here we have to apply the glue and stick it. Okay, which one you like, that you can use. Okay, now I'm using this one. Now for the plain, we have to actually this one stick with the glue, or we have to be use here pin, board pin. Like this we have to insert here, and we have to play with this. Okay, so here we are completed our pin wheel. But now in sticking in the notebook, this one you have to just press it, because it should not come in a middle. So just press it and apply the glue here again, and stick here in a center, and apply the glue again in a stick back side and stick in your book. Middle page of your craft workbook, there is an outline given of pinwheel. There you are going to stick pinwheel.